Here's another super quick recipe that you can make with beautiful gluten-free sourdough starter. This dough recipe inspired the sweeter donut version called Canadian beaver-tailed donuts. I recently shared a video for that one too. This naan bread makes the most perfect pizza crust, so I hope you give it a try. See the video's description for the ingredients and recipe link. If you make this recipe, let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more plant-based and allergen-friendly recipes just like this one. Thanks for watching!